So today we're replacing the air filter on the Lexmoto Milano, so it's the same for the AJS Modena. There's the replacement air filter, which you can get from either AJS or CMPO. I find that sometimes parts that are out of stock on one website are available on the other. So let's get doing it, let's get this replaced. That's the air filter box, 5 screws, get that off, and then that screws in there. So that's it, 5 screws, lid comes off, and then there's the air filter, which again is 3 screws. Take those off and then replace it. Old versus new, side by side. New one there, old grubby one there. So new filters screwed in, 3 screws as I said, and make sure you get it the right way around. It just sits in without any sort of rubber seal or anything like that. It just sits in the housing perfectly. Get the cover back on, clean it up. Cover's back on, just need to clean the rest of it up now. Give it all a good clean whilst the side panel's off. Give some of this frame a spray as well while we're at it.